my fellow graduates, friends, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed day to all. Today is a day of celebration. It's a day we all been eagerly anticipating, a milestone that marks the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and growth. As we stand on the brink of a new chapter, it's important to take a moment and to reflect on the journey that brought us here, to look forward with hope and excitement to the future. When I think back to the beginning of this journey, I remember the uncertainty and excitement of starting something new. We came from different backgrounds, with different dreams and aspirations, but we all share a common goal: to learn, grow, and succeed. Along the way, we face challenges that tested our resolve and moments that push us to our limits. But through it all, we persevered to support one another, learn from our failures, and celebrate our success together. Our time has been defined by more than just academic achievements. We've made lifelong forever. We learn from the value of hard work, the importance of integrity, and the power of community. These lessons are just as important as anything we have learned in the classroom, and they will guide us. We step into the next phase of our lives. As we prepare to leave this place and embark on the adventures, it is important to remember that the end of the journey is merely the beginning of another. The knowledge and skill alone. We are stepping into a world that is full of opportunities, but also challenges. The resilience and ability to adapt will truly define our success. In the words of Nelson Mandela, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. As graduates, we have the power to make a difference, be agent of this change, and contribute to society's betterment. Whether we become doctors, engineers, artists, or entrepreneurs, we all have a role to play in shaping the future. Let us use our education not just for the personal gain, but to impact the world around us positively. As we go our separate ways, let us stay connected. Let us remember the bonds we have formed in the experience we have shared. Let us support one another, our endeavors, and celebrate each other's achievements. Our journey does not end here. It simply takes us down different paths, and no matter where the paths lead, we will always be part of this community. In closing, I want to extend my heartfelt to our teachers, Ma'am Arlene and Sir Rodel, who guided us, the parents and families who supported us, and friends who stood by us. Your encouragement and belief in us have been invaluable. To my fellow competitors, congratulations. We did it. As we move forward, let us carry the lessons we have learned, the friendships we've made, and the memories we have created. Let us embrace the future with courage and optimism, and strive to make a difference in the world. Kaya itabi ko, baka itabi naman tingnan. Up to 1966, nasinggan na ng kotse kasi nakapag-exit school lagi yung mga po namin kami kaya. Up to September 16, 1966, up to June 16, 1966, nagtakas na kang koma na ako diyari. Yung balong po, nasabi ko kang paske, kasi mali ko na tanong-tanong. Ngayon, kapaanak na namin, awat ko ka lang po. Ano sabi ko sa poster, tapinan kami na kasinira. Yung dinimang, nilong nagkamatalo